Alright, it says to top stitch 1 inch from the upper edge. You can mark it with a tailor's chalk if you prefer. I just use a hem ruler set to a 1 inch marking so I can measure as I go along. My stitch length is going to be 2.5 for the top stitching. The other thing it says to do in the directions is to sew the bottom opening by hand. You can do that if you wish, but when we attach the pocket to the garment, we're going to do a top stitching on top of there, so you're not going to see that opening. But that's how to make the pocket, and we'll attach it to the shirt front in the next video.